Hi, and welcome to LBR Educates. I'm Sandy Schreck, and today we're going to be creating a graceful vase design. We're going to be using the moon vase, which is a circle vase and kind of a unique shape, but it lends itself really well to this asymmetrical design. One of the design techniques we're going to be featuring is the shadowing technique, where we have one Fatsia leaf placed up in over the top of another Fatsia leaf. Have a little bit of basing done with some of the Cremones down in there, and just really focusing on those graceful lines going back and forth and coming in and out. Our focal area featuring the LenBuschRoses grown rose lily is a stunning focal feature item, and then just gracefully coming out into those Callas. So why don't we get started? Okay, to start with this vase, we're going to come in with a Fatsia. We're going to come across, and many times the error is to cut this too short. So I'm going to hold it down in front of the vase and really see where I can cut that so that my stem places down into the water and that first leaf lays right on top there. And then we're going to come in with our second leaf here. And I know that I'm going to be placing some floral material in here to help kind of do some spacing there and act as that shadowing feature. We're going to come across here with some lily grass and then come the other way. And this really helps to extend the value on this design. Just by adding those pieces of lily grass, I can really extend out the look on this piece. So we're going to come in with our two disc buds, and this is a Lavender Galactic disc bud chrysanthemum. And what we're doing is kind of mixing a variety of long-lasting flowers with some feature flowers, some roses that people equate with value. But this type of basing could be done also with carnations, any kind of thing. But we really want to kind of create that spacing there and have that one piece kind of coming over the other to just create that interest. I'm going to come in with a green trick dianthus down in here, and that's just going to add that textural element. Then a couple of roses, and they help to form my stem grid. So you can see I'm kind of coming from the outside in on these. There, and then I'll come in with our focal flower, the rose lily that's grown here locally at LenBuschRoses. That's going to come right into that focal area. And then we're going to add the accent lines. This right here is a Dusty Miller. That's a new variety that we're growing at LenBusch. And we're just going to come in with that and really kind of use that foliage as a flower. And foliages have become very important. So I'm going to do asymmetrical placement on these Calla lilies. To help balance that darker, heavier color over here, I'm going to come to this side with two of the Calla lilies, and the Fatsia leaf also helps to kind of alleviate that edge of the vase that these are sitting on, so that those can come out. And then on the other side, we're just going to do one, and that's going to follow that lily grass line, but that draws your eye from one side of the arrangement to the other. So let me just take a look, and this got a little heavy, so I'm going to thin off some of those pieces. We can tuck those in a little bit lower and just come in with that up in there. And then these side shoots I can come and lay together, and I'm able to bring that down right off the lip of the container and just kind of tie those two pieces together so that it feels connected. And then I'm just going to do that on the back side as well, so that it draws your eye in that line right through the center there. Here you can see a couple examples of our graceful vase design. On this one, we use the Yin Yang micro palm to create visual interest in the design. On this one, we use the Dusty Miller to create that textural difference and kind of use that foliage as a flower. You can see how the lily grass extended the lines on this, adding to that graceful feeling. If you like these designs, make sure and give us a thumbs up. Leave us some comments, ask some questions, then we know you like it. We have a variety of educational videos on our LBR YouTube channel, from business to product previews and a variety of floral design educational videos. While you're there, make sure and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can see anytime we upload something. This is our graceful vase design, and I hope you take these techniques of the asymmetrical design, the sheltering that we did, and use those graceful lines to add value to your design. Thanks for watching. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and I hope I've inspired you to create some fabulous florals.